Hey, what's up, Ray? My name's Devin Norton. Thanks so much for speaking to me on the phone earlier. In this quick video, I'm going to show you 3 simple things you can easily do on your website so you can start beating lawnsmith.com, because if you type in Dallas Roofing, these guys show up right at the top, and I'm going to show you exactly what they're doing so you can easily beat them. Now, you're probably wondering why I would even make this video for you, and it's really simple. I found out a little while ago there's lots of small business owners that are so busy running their business, specifically contractors and roofers. They're just so busy running their business, they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet bring them more customers. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who's not. So I started creating these attack plans and just giving them away for free. Lots of people just take this information and do it themselves, and that's awesome. Some people say, you know what, Devin, I like you. I want to get this done. I just don't have the time. Can you do it for me? Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. My only goal is to educate you and help you make a lot of money. I'm going to talk to you about 3 quick things today: content, backlinks, and citations. First off, though, whoever did your website did a great job. You have a very clean website, really nice logo. I love the color scheme, easy to read, strong font, custom imagery. This is a great looking website. Now, what Google mostly cares about when it comes to ranking your website is all of this content right here. The average website on the front page of Google has right around 1,500 words of content. So if I go and I paste all of your content into this word counter, you can see I have 561 words. But if I go to Lawnsmith and I copy all their words, you can see that they have 1,055. So by getting yourself to 1,500 words, you're going to blow them out of the water. But one more thing about that too is you want to fit in keywords. A keyword is a phrase someone commonly types into Google when they're ready to buy from you. So for example, like Dallas Roofing, 600 people search that every month. Or like Dallas Roofer, 600 people search that. Or this one's 500 per month, so that's Dallas Roofers. So imagine if you showed up number 1 for these 3 keywords. You would be showing up first on Google in front of 1,700 people every single month who wanted to purchase roofing in Dallas. Imagine how much money that would make you, how much it would change your business, right? So you want to make sure you're putting keywords like that inside of your content. And so if I look like Dallas Roofer, you don't have that. I do see up here you've got Dallas Roofing, so that's pretty good. Let's see if you have it here. So you don't have it on your page. So good job having in your title. You'd want to put it on your page as well. You could say like your Dallas Roofing experts or something like that. You can save your images as keywords too. I can't see that one. Can't click on your images, right? There we go, this one. So like this one, instead of these numbers and letters, this could be called Dallas Roofing. But that's my first tip for you. My next tip for you, Ray, is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. This is important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of trustworthy, relevant websites vouching for your website. Keep in mind, though, like I said, they want to see trustworthy, relevant websites. So you're going to get a lot better results if you have other roofing and construction companies linking to you versus having like Baskin Robbins linking to you, because Google knows you don't sell ice cream. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. It is a paid tool. You don't need to use it. There's plenty of free tools out there. Just Google Backlink Checker. You can see all this information for free. And good job. It says you already have 75 websites linking to you. Lawnsmith has 330 linking to them. So if I were in your shoes, I would figure out what 330 links are going to Lawnsmith, and I'd go one by one to each of those links and put a link on each website back to my own site the same way they did. And a lot of times it's easy. Like for example, Angie, you go on here, you join their network, and you put a link in your profile back to your website. Boom, that easy, you have a backlink. Or same with Yellow Pages. You create a free account, you put a link in your profile back to your home page. Boom, you've got 2 backlinks now. So it's pretty simple. It just takes a little time. But if you copy their backlinks plus you beat them in content, those 2 tips alone are enough to get you ranked number 1 organically here and start getting all the free. Oh, sorry, up here, even higher. And start getting all the free business that comes with being there. But I've got one last tip for you. It's how to show up in the map section. It's also rare that they show up organically above the map section, but you can see they don't have a sponsored like they up here. Anyways, to show up in the map section, you need to have more citations than your competitors. A citation is when you list your name, address, and phone number inside of a directory. A directory is a website that allows you to list your business's information like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, GAF, Better Business Bureau, stuff like that. So if I were in your shoes, Ray, I'd figure out what directories New View Roofing was in. I'd put myself in the same ones and then add a bunch on top. So if New View Roofing here was in 150 directories, I'd put myself in at least 300. But that is all I have for you, Ray. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep it as short and to the point as possible for you. As a quick recap, you want at least 1,500 words of content on this homepage with keywords inside of that content like Dallas Roofing, Dallas Roofer. You can save your images as those keywords as well. Then you want to take the links going to Lawnsmith and get them pointing back to yourself. And finally, put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than New View Roofing. And if you follow these 3 tips, this is how you become #1 across the entire front page of Google and start getting all the free business that comes with being there. You're probably asking, what do I do now? You have 2 options. The first one is to take this information and do it all yourself. This is a great route to go. If you decide to go this route, the sooner you get started, the less catching up you have to do because your competitors are currently doing this. If you have any questions or if you want any help getting this done for you, give me a call at any time. My phone number is 469-352-2524. I'd be happy to hear your goals and give you a free attack plan on what to do next. Either way, it was great speaking to you on the phone earlier. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I hope you have an awesome week. I'll see you later, Ray. Bye.